Hi, today I'll be demonstrating using this line of paint by Hippie Crafter. Now they did send this to me and asked me to give them a try here on YouTube, and I'm so excited to try them. They are a high flow, highly pigmented paint. They come in 24 vibrant colors that consist of the primaries as well as metallics. Now each bottle is 2 ounces. They're permanent, water-based of course, and highly pigmented. And there's the packaging, as you can see. It's super cool. And they have a lot of other products. I've heard really good things about them, and I'm really excited to try these today.
And included in the box is a very nice brochure that lists all of the different products that they have. And if you would like to try their line of products, I have a discount code, Hippie10, and I will list the link in the description area below the video. So as you can see, the colors are very vibrant and beautiful in the bottles themselves. So now let's put them to the test. Before I begin on my painting, I wanted to get an idea of the consistency of the paint. And here it is straight out of the bottle. It is very thin, but very pigmented and very high flow, just as it's stated on the box. Now I'm going to mix these paints into both matte medium and gloss gel medium. Mixing it into the matte medium definitely gives the paint more body. So now I'm going to test it and mix it into the gloss gel medium. I really do like how it mixes into the gloss gel medium, so I am ready to start that painting and truly put it to the test. I begin my initial block in using the paint directly from the bottle. I've not yet added any medium. And as you can see, it truly is very fluid. And now I've mixed the paint into the matte medium, and I must say I really do like the consistency. It's very easy to apply and blend at this stage. And now that I've mixed it into the gloss gel medium, I have to admit this really is my favorite way to apply this paint. It goes on so buttery smooth. It even reminds me of oil paint in a way. I absolutely loved it, and the colors are so vibrant and rich. So now my painting is complete, and I have to say I really enjoyed the entire process, and I will be using my Hippie Crafter paint again. Thanks for joining me today, everyone. Bye!